What's up, amigos? Welcome to Ink Buildup. Now this video is not going to be screen printing related. It's going to be on this little guy right here. Now, when I started this YouTube channel, I kept looking around for this animation and I couldn't find them. I found some online on YouTube, but some of them were for sale. Some of them were in After Effects, and I don't have After Effects, and I only have Premiere. And so I decided to make my own and to give it to you guys for free. So stay tuned. Well, a while back, I modified my logo for my YouTube channel, but I haven't changed it to my animation that I use for my videos. And I decided to finally do it and decided to do this film at the same time. Now, I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you could download the folder with all these files. And you're going to need Premiere to follow along with this video. But if you don't have Premiere, don't worry. I made sure I left the video with just this animation without the logo. And all you have to do is remove the green background and use that video, the animation I mean. And if you don't know how to remove the green background, don't worry. Just go on YouTube, look for it, you'll find it. That's what I did. So let's just get started. Alright, once you open the folder, you're going to find these files. One is going to be the file of the Premiere. You're also going to get just the video animation without the YouTube channel logo, like this one right here. You have your mouse click and your images. And this is from my YouTube channel, but I'll show you how to change that right now. So, if you go open the Premiere file, okay, here it is. Let's click play just so you can see how it looks like. And that's it. Okay, now, to change to YouTube logo, let's go. Here's the folder, right? Let's go to the images. And here I already have a logo for the chicken I'm going to change to. So this is how I do it. I can open this with Photoshop. Then with your circle, I just click Alt Shift and click. Let's do it again. I lost it. I'm not a complete Photoshop expert, okay? So okay, that seems about right. Okay, then you're gonna right click and just layer via copy. Take out the other one, and all you're gonna do is just export this to put export as. And we're going to change to a PNG file. Okay, just remember your image has to be the width of 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels, because that's what I use in the Premiere file. So make sure you have it that way. So you're going to export all, and I'm going to put the logo. Let's change it so we're confused. YouTube. Channel logo. Save. Let's go back to the folder. And all you're going to do is look for your new logo. Where is it? Right here. YouTube channel. Just drag it to your images files. Right there. Then go back to Premiere and look for it. Not me, but look for my logo. You're going to right click and you put replace footage. And now you put your YouTube channel logo and put select. And that's it. And you can play. And what you're going to do, like right here, tell that it's kind of like in the way subscribe button. So just double click on the, not double click, but click on this channel and click on effects control. And right here with the precision, just make your little adjustment. So I need to make it to the left. And there you go. And now you can play just to make sure. And that's it. And now what we're going to do is make sure you stay first. And you can put export media. And now the settings, this video, the Premiere file is 1080p. So I can click here, change the name to it. So let's just name it my YouTube. Subscribe. And click save and export. Then we're gonna wait. And for the export settings, I'll leave a link below where I figure out what are the best settings to export your YouTube videos. So now let's go back to the folder. Let's go to images. And here's your new folder, your new file, I mean. Here it is. And there, it looks good. And now the next thing you gotta do is do the whole remove the green screen and add to your video, and I'll show you that right now. Okay, so now you have your new subscribe animation. So I'm going to show you guys how to place out one of your videos, remove the green screen in the background. So look, I already added a file to the folder here. I added this file. It's just of me standing, just to give you a sample, okay? Okay, so let's go to Premiere. Let's do a new project. Yeah, okay, start there. Okay, let's do test. We're gonna name this test. Okay. Yes. Now I'm not gonna go into whole detail on the what sequence to use because I'm pretty sure you could find that online, but hopefully you already know I have some experience with Premiere. But anyways, so let's import our new YouTube subscribe. Open, and let's import a video. And in this case, my little sample video. Open, drag it in here. Should be 60 seconds. Like I said, hopefully you already have some experience with this for Premiere. And here you go. And on top of it, click on Effects. Go to Video Effects, Clean, Ultra key, just drag it on there. Click the little eyedropper and click on the green, and that's it. Now you click play, this is how it's going to look like. Then now all you're going to do is save it and export it. Export media. Yes. Let's see what we can browse. Test. Final. Misspelling right there. Click on save. Export. Now we're just gonna wait till this to export. Now, if you don't have Premiere, that's why I decided to leave the the animation without the logo, just with the subscribe and the bell and the green background. That way, if you use another editing software, you just remove the green background and just add your own logo. But since I don't know those other editing software, but like I said, just look it up on YouTube and you'll figure out how to do it. Alright, there we go. Now let's go back to the folder. And here's where it says final. Alright, as you can see, there's a little, you can just see a little bit of green on the background right here on the subscribe. Right, go back to right here. This is not that perfect, but at least it's free, right? Alright, well, that's it, you guys. Okay, amigos. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this freebie. Now, you could use this in any of your videos at no cost to you. All I ask for is to hit that like button for this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and at least share one of my videos on any social media platform. In the meantime, I'm out.